Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick little video here trying to help anybody who's trying to install long tube or like headers for that matter on 350Z. Basically what you're going to need is a combination of all these tools here. So you're going to need flex heads, and then this is 3/8. So you're also going to have to do a combination of all three of those. So basically, some of them are going to need with the extension, some of them are going to no extension, and then this front bolt in the driver's side, right there. The only way to get to it without having to remove all your like AC compressor and all that is going to be this 1/4 inch with a short extension and a deep well 14. Again, it needs to be a flex head, but so right. Okay, so right now we're on the bolt. So like I said, this is going to be the setup for the front lower. All the other ones you can get to with this, and also a long ratcheting 14. And to be honest with you, this is a pain in the ass, and you're definitely going to have your fun cut out for you. The other issue that I ran into was, if you look here at the stock manifold, there's a lot more space between like all the runners and whatnot, whereas these ones are a little bit wider, and the fact that they are longer, so once they're in place, it makes it a lot harder to get to the to get to all the bolts. The passenger side, believe it or not, when you look at all this stuff, you're gonna think that it's way harder, especially because like it has that coolant, that hard coolant line that runs through there, and it's just more of a rat's nest on this side. But what I did find was they can all be accessed from the bottom, all of them exclusively with this setup here. So it's gonna be just like this, and some of them are going to need the extension. Just one little thing is the very front lower bolt. It's gonna be it's hard to see here, but the very front lower bolt closest to the front bumper, that's gonna be the biggest bitch. It's very hard. It's doable. You're just gonna be literally turning very small amounts at a time. It's very tedious. It's a pain in the ass, but it's definitely doable. And this is definitely not the job for the faint of heart. Good luck to you guys.